Did you know, deer antlers, made of bone, can grow an inch per day, making them the fastest growing tissue? Impressive runners. Some deer can reach speeds up to 35 miles per hour and leap as high as 10 feet. Deers display remarkable adaptability, inhabiting territories from mountains and forests to deserts and swamps. Resilient and remarkable, deers never cease to amaze with their survival skills in the wild. Indeed, deers hold a world of wonder. From their swift speed to their ability to adapt, they truly are fascinating.